Hello, everybody. Let's see. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Spaceship, do not cancel. I'm here. I did not cancel. Let's go. Everyone's here. Well, we got a lot of people. How many people do we have? 405. Oh, let's put on the counter so you guys can see too. Viewer count. Yeah, let's add that. Perfect. Good morning. Okay, so today what we're gonna do, you guys are gonna give me suggestions for Universe Sandbox live here, and we're gonna do them. We're gonna do as many as we can today. Chip, it's 11 p.m. for me. Thanks for coming. Play more Space Engine. I just did 2 Space Engine videos. How much stream delay is there? I don't think there's a lot. I can put the chat box on so you can see what I'm looking at. Let's do that. Chat box. There you go. Okay, so that... Oh, it's going fast. But yeah, there's the chat box. It's my first time watching your stream, bro. Welcome. Make the planets as close as Mercury. That's a good one to start with. So let's get... We could just use this solar system that we're in, I think. Oh. I think it's trying to download my old systems. Uh-oh. That ain't good. Make a Edmonton Oilers planet. Okay, yeah, we could look that up. So this actually is a brand new computer, so that's probably why we're having issues. We can restart it. Try it again. The game just broke. Okay, it should work better now. Okay, so our first suggestion was put every planet close to the sun, like in Mercury's orbit. So let's grab our move tool, and we should be able to just move them all. So we're gonna have to auto orbit them. Can you terraform the moon? We can definitely try that. So I'm gonna move them all like right here. And then we got to make them orbit so they don't just fly into the sun. No. Grab Uranus. Put them all right in the middle. And then we're going to go and auto... I see you finally got your NASA PC. Yeah, it really is. It's a beast. Okay, auto orbit on Neptune. Oh, I guess I kind of put it down there. That's okay. Make them all orbit, and then we will see how well that works. I guess it puts them down. I don't know why they're like lower. Make a binary moon. That's one that I've got a lot. And also make a moon with a moon with a moon. I want to do that one for a video eventually. Okay, so let's see. Are they all orbiting? Looks like they are. Okay, so all of the planets now are around Mercury's orbit. And this is what kind of the orbit is looking like. And let's like take a look at Earth, because that's the one we're going to see the biggest difference, I think. A-Dog, yo, welcome to the stream. Earth is fine so far. Actually, a lot of the vegetation is already melted off from the heat of the sun. Let's slow down time so we can watch this spin. Yeah, there's no more life left. I mean, there's a little bit there in like the rainforest. But yeah, it's all gone. Hey, Chip, we are so close to 250k subs, are we? would like to see. We should put a sub count on stream. Yeah, 248K. We could hit it on stream. That'd be cool. Let's put a sub count on stream and then let's see if we can hit it, because that'd be cool. Just like 2 seconds. I know how to do it. I've done this before. I did it for my 50K stream. Oh, that was not even that long ago. That's crazy. Okay. And then we add a source. This one? Yes. Okay. And then we can... Oh, we don't need that. We don't need it that big. How do I... Oh, okay. And then we should be able to just go like this. Awesome. Okay, there's our sub count. We'll make it a little smaller. Let's see how high we can get it on stream. Okay. We had some donation suggestions. Let's find those. Edmonton Oilers planet. That is a ice hockey team. NHL team. Let's look up a picture. So they're blue and orange. So we can do a blue and orange gas giant. I will show you guys the logo. And then we can make that planet. Oh, that's very large. Okay. Okay, we should be set up now for the rest of stream. I shouldn't have to do anything. Oh, we lost the... I did a new tab, so we lost the... There we go. There we go. Okay, we're here. Oh, boy. Okay, so that's the Oilers logo. Now we're going to make that a planet. Let's do it. So, shall we add it to our solar system? Hi, Spaceship. You're my favorite YouTuber, and I wanted to let you know how much I love your vids. Thank you for watching, Chazroll. It's awesome. You guys are awesome. Okay, we're going to do, I think, a gas giant. Put it right. We'll add, like, a Planet 9 type thing to our system. We'll name it the Oilers. We are going to need to be able to see it, so let's add a flashlight. So it's like orange and darkish blue and white. So we'll start with white. And then let's do this one orange. Couple of these orange. You're the best space YouTuber. Thank you. And then we'll do these ones. The blue. Like that blue? There we go. Okay, so there's the Oilers planet. That's a pretty cool planet. Let's do our interface color. We'll do that orange again. There we go. Make the sun a planet. Let's try that. Try to make the sun a planet. So let's add it to our system, but instead of replacing our sun, let's add a new sun, because all the planets are right here, so we actually have a lot of space. We're going to put the sun right here. We're going to have it paused for now. Combine a neutron star and a black hole. That'd be cool. Yeah, we'll for sure do that. Okay, so here's the sun. We're going to want to make it smaller. Make the Pittsburgh Steelers logo a planet. Oh, boy. Okay, so to make it small, once we get it small enough, it should turn into a gas giant by itself. About here it should be. Yes. Okay. Now we have the sun as a gas giant, but let's make it a rocky planet. So we're going to want it even smaller. One point 0.15. Wait, we want it compared to Earth. Oh, it's still way too big. Okay, so this should be big enough for a rocky planet. So now if we make it not hydrogen and have iron and silicate, it should be, yes. Okay, the sun is now a rocky planet. How's its orbit? Pretty good orbit. Let's add some water to it. Tino the Mad Kid / spaceship fan. Thank you for the donation. What do we do now? Let's add some water to it. Like that. Beautiful. And an atmosphere. There we go. Okay, there's the sun as a planet now around the other sun. Okay, and then let's see what donations we had. Combine neutron star and a black hole. Yes, let's do it. Okay, we're gonna need a new simulation for this. Okay, neutron star. Let's see. Which one of these is a neutron star? Pulsar stars are neutron stars, right? So there's a neutron star, and then a black hole. How big should we do? 1 solar mass? 100 solar masses? Launch the solar system into the solar system. Okay. We'll do... No, that's too big. 1 solar mass black hole into the pulsar star. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, did it eat it? The black hole won? How big was the crab pulsar star? Like in mass, I want to know. Okay, well, they're kind of in a really tight orbit now. The crab pulsar should have won. It has a bigger mass than the black hole 1 solar mass. Interesting. Black hole still wins. That's cool. Okay, next one. What did we have? What was it? Launch the solar system into another system. Or into the solar system. Okay, so let's pull up the solar system. If we just grab the sun and then click add planets, we will have our own mini solar system. It doesn't have like all the moons and stuff, but that is a solar system. And then if we launch the sun into that and then add the planets to this one. Tyler Robertson, thank you for the donation. Then we should have another solar system. And then let's watch them collide. I bet nothing really happens. Maybe like the orbits get screwed up. But I don't think anything will collide. Unless I aimed it perfectly. Let's watch one of the suns. Ooh, okay. We're getting close now. Did I aim them perfectly? Oh, okay. Get shot out on the side. Whoa. Okay. There's 2 Venuses now orbiting this sun. It got captured. So this sun has 2 Venuses. And this sun has both of the Earths. That's actually cool. That's way cooler than what I thought it was going to do. And then let's speed up time and see how they end up. So we got still 2 separate systems. A lot of planets got launched out into space. Mercury on this one and this Neptune. So this one has 2 Neptunes, 2 Earths, 2 Mars, 1 Mercury. It's pretty cool. What will you do at 1 million subs? A lot of people said that I should launch a chip into space. And if that is possible, I think it'd be cool to do. And so that's what happens if you launch the solar system into the solar system. They like trade planets. Pretty cool. Collide Betelgeuse with Stevenson 2 and 8. Let's do it. Stevenson 2 and 8 is super big, but so is Betelgeuse. Okay, there's Stevenson 2 and 8, and then Betelgeuse right here. What is the size comparison? It's like that big compared to it. That's crazy. And then our sun is that big. Wow. Anyway, let's launch it into it. Where is Betelgeuse? Right here. Launch. Slow down the time. Okay, so Betelgeuse into Stevenson 218. Let's see what happens. Oh. It just eats it. That's all? Nothing else happens? Oh, I thought for sure something would happen. No, it moved it, but it just ate it. Whoa. That's actually... I thought it would do more. Make a galaxy? That would be very hard. You can just throw in a random galaxy. Galaxy. Replace Pluto with the sun. Let's try it. Pluto. Replace object. No, not save. With the sun. Okay. And let's see what happens to the solar system. Starting to curve in. Oh, it's pulling the entire inner solar system out. And now they're kind of binary. I think Earth is going to be okay. Yeah, they're like in a binary orbit now. So it turns our system into a binary system. Make a gas planet livable. I don't think you can. I like it doesn't even give you the option to see. Terraform the moon? Oh, yes, let's do that. We will terraform the moon. It's going to be the best terraformed moon you've ever seen. Okay, where's the moon? Right here. Okay, here we go. So here's our moon. To terraform it, we're going to need to have a little bit of hydrogen to hold the water on. Just like that much. Then we're going to start filling it with water. Probably about that far. Looks pretty good. And then we're going to add an atmosphere. Let's do one Earth's atmosphere, and then we can change how thick it is right here. Make it a tiny bit blue. And then turn this up, turn this down. There we go. Okay, and let's get some clouds on there too. Beautiful. Okay, that's already looking pretty good. I bet it has a chance of life already. 32.5. Let's make it higher. If we change the rotational period to make it 24 hours. it will spin faster, but also the life on there gets a better day-night cycle. And then that puts us at 63.5% on our life likelihood now. And then we can add vegetation, and that would make it look like that. That's a pretty good terraforming. I wouldn't know. To make it higher, you'd have to almost make it bigger. We could do the magnetic field. I think that's in here. That's energy flow. Is it composition? Right here. Okay, so we could do show. Oh, I thought this was Earth. This is the moon. Let's make it. How big do we make it? Can we? Oh, okay. We're starting to see it now. There we go. So now the moon has a magnetic field too to protect it from the solar radiation. Combine Sagittarius A with the biggest galaxy you find. Sagittarius A with the biggest galaxy. Okay, let's do it. So there's a terraformed moon with a magnetic field. Looking pretty nice. Okay, so let's do a new simulation. Biggest galaxy. I think it's this one. IC 1101. This is the biggest galaxy. Let's turn off the Milky Way background because that's not very realistic. Cheyenne Partlow, thank you for the donation. Dude, just stars. Okay. So I think this is the biggest galaxy. Let's compare it to the Milky Way. Yeah, so here's the entire Milky Way compared to this one we just did. Okay, so this is the biggest galaxy. I don't think Sagittarius A is really going to do that much to it. Sagittarius A, launch into the black hole, or into the galaxy. If we turn on a green background, you can probably see the black hole better. And then we'll speed up time and watch it fly through the galaxy. It may do a little bit, but I don't think it'll do too much. We've got to speed up time really fast. Oh, why is it flying away? What's happening? It's like in orbit. What? Okay, well it didn't go into it. We got to try this again. Why is it? That's not into it. If we zero the velocity, maybe it'll the gravity will just pull it in. Where's its speed? 0. Okay, here it comes. Escape the universe? I don't think you can in Universe Sandbox. Play my collab Universe Sandbox 2 system. It's in self-promo. I'll go look at it. Okay, here comes Sagittarius A. And I guess the galaxy ate it. The galaxy had no effect on itself. Interesting. Okay, let me look at that system. Or did you guys lose the... Yeah, you guys probably lost the counter again. Can I just search it on Universe Sandbox and it'll come up? Let's see. Let's go to workshop on here. Oh, here it is. It's in the top charts. Congratulations. We will look at it. You are best channel. Thank you. Okay. Sizfish. Oh, I got a guide from him a long time ago. Nathan Rago 6 is my Discord. Milkbot. Nice. Okay. Okay, so this is, a lot of people made this system, it looks like. So we'll start with the star, Rog. Almost 10 times the size of our sun. So that's a lot. The game's a little laggy. There must be a lot of objects in here. Let's check out this one. Oh, that's a cool looking... What is this? A small asteroid with a moon? How well does this system hold up over time? Maybe we shouldn't do that until we look at everything. Make Titan realistic? How do you make Titan realistic? Okay, so got Hellas, and then Magnus is its moon. And then let's check out this one. How do you even say that? Titusta? This is a very pink planet. It's got... Whoa. It's got clouds and stuff. I wonder if it's habitable. 1.9%, so maybe. Temperature? 333. It's super hot. Okay, so this is still like really close to the star. And then we got like Plubb's Comet out here, really elliptical, glowing. That's cool. Just got here. What's happening? So this is a custom system made by a bunch of different people, and we're looking at it. Seeing what planets and stuff they made. This looks cool. I bet this one's habitable. Oh, almost. It's like very small chance, but maybe. We got some cool moons on here. A green one. Wow. Pretty cool. I do like the system. It's a cool system. Is this our like Earth-like planet? That is actually a pretty cool looking planet. How is the ocean so shiny? 47%. Make a habitable planet with habitable rings. Habitable rings? How is that even possible? We'll try it. We'll try it. Got a moon on there. Okay, we'll go through the rest of the system fairly quickly. But you guys will still be able to see it. This is like kind of like Mars, it looks like, and it's got 2 rings. Pretty cool. Oh wow, this one's super bright. This one looks like it's modded to get your Rayleigh scattering up higher than what you can do in the game. Yeah, 200%. If I break it, then it'll look like that. Sorry, I just broke it. Okay, and then we got, sorry, first gas giant. This one, oh, whoa. It goes like, cycles through the colors. And then we got a bunch of moons. So we don't really have time to go full in depth on this system, but we'll go through it quickly. Let's check what this is. Dwarf planet. Fulvanius. Stormius. Wow, blue gas giant. And then we got a dwarf planet out there. Okay, so that's the system. It's on, if you want it and you have Universe Sandbox, it's in the top chart, so you should be able to find it pretty easily. Okay, now we're going to make a habitable planet with habitable rings. Let's try it. Oh, we still have the oil. We've had the Oilers thing up this whole time. Oh boy. Okay, let's grab the sun. And then we will get a random planet, and then we'll make this planet habitable first, and then we'll try to make, I don't know how we're gonna make the rings habitable. This already looks like it's probably habitable or close to habitable. 20%. Let's make its rotational period 1 day. I bet that already brings it up a lot. 34.5. Let's make sure its water is a good amount. And then we have a little bit of a thinner atmosphere. It was too thick. And now let's check it. 73.1, so that's pretty habitable. custom Jupiter. That would take so long to do all the bands. I've seen people do it, and it's like 200 bands. Okay, and then now we're going to add rings to it. I don't know how we're going to make the rings habitable. I don't even know if you can. We'll try to grab a ring particle. And we can't even add an atmosphere or anything. We might have to make it bigger. Okay, now we're starting to get somewhere. Oh, its radius is tiny. Oh, wait. It's 1,500 times the moon. Okay, wait. Quarter the size of the moon. It's flying away. Oh, is it? No. Okay, we're still in orbit. This is gonna work. We need it bigger. We need the radius bigger. But we need its density to stay the same. How do we lock the... It won't let me lock it. I'll make it less dense. That's what we do. And then that'll start giving us a bigger size. And then, wait, what just happened? It's a cloud now. Make it more dense. How is it 30% the mass of the moon, but it can't get any bigger than this? You can kind of see it. I don't know if this is possible. We tried. Can you try to make a 1 millimeter black hole? I actually have done that. Let's turn this into a 1 millimeter black hole because it won't let me turn it into life. So if we go density super high, 1 millimeter. Okay, that's 1.8 millimeters. Zooming. And then, okay, that should turn into a black hole. It should. Why is it not? I don't think these ring particles behave normally because it's over the size of Jupiter and it's not affecting anything. So these ring particles are broken. We need a regular asteroid orbit. And then we'll turn this into a 1 millimeter black hole. If we make it 1 Earth size in mass, so there's the size of it now, and then we're gonna turn the radius down. Oh wait, we got to lock the radius. No, lock the. I just locked that. Okay, and then we turn this down to 1 millimeter. And then it should totally be a black hole. Okay, it is now 1 millimeter big. We can prove that by putting other human scale objects next to it. Like here's a baseball next to it. Maybe. Oh, yeah, let's not eat it. Okay, and it should turn into... Yes, it's a black hole now. And it starts to rip apart the Earth. Or not the Earth, whatever this planet is that we made. Because the mass is almost the same, so it's ripping huge chunks off of it. And so now the planet's like liquid, so it's just like pulling the liquid away. Is it ever going to hit? Oh, okay. It looks like it broke a huge chunk off, and then that pushed the energy out to have it fly away. See, you can see this is like spewing out its liquid that it got. We completely destroyed this planet. Can you land on Mars? You can. but it doesn't look nearly as good as it would in Space Engine. A video I just did that's cool is the sunrise and sunset on each planet in Space Engine, and that's actually, you can land on them and see. Like, you can land on it and this is what it looks like. Pick. Where's like Olympus Mons? Right here. Let's go land right there. Yes. It's not what it would look like at all. Launch Earth into the sun. It would just eat it like instantly, but I'll show you. Let's grab Earth. Launch into the sun. Oh, well, it already did. You can see the ripple. Let's do it. We'll do it slower. Okay, now it's launching into the Earth. Let's watch it get eaten by the sun. It'll just like leave a ripple. Here we go. Earth into the sun. That's crazy how big the sun is compared to Earth. And it gets eaten. It does leave a ripple. It's very bright. Sorry, it's like blinding. But there goes a ripple that goes out. Hello, Spaceship. I'm a huge fan. Thank you, Toxic Ones. Oh, did we miss some donations maybe? Make Ton 618 binary with Gargantua. Gargantua from Interstellar. We got, oh, add a black hole to our system. Put a black hole right here and see what happens. Eats the sun. And because it's one solar mass, it doesn't pull them in too hard. Kind of disrupts their orbits pretty bad, actually. What was our next one after that? Where did it go? This one? Was this our next one? Make Ton 618 binary with Gargantua. Yes, let's do it. So Ton 618. How big is Ton 618? Ton 618 size. 60 billion solar masses. So let's grab Sagittarius A. And let's do a green background so we can see the black holes. So they don't have actually Ton 618 in the game, but we can make it ourselves. It's 60 billion solar masses. So 60,000, that's 60,000. 3 more zeros, 60 million. 3 more is 60 billion. Okay, that is Ton 618 size. Perfect. And then we're going to add Gargantua. How big is Gargantua? $100 million times. So Ton 618 is going to be so much bigger than Gargantua. I think they have 100 million. This is 10 million. So we'll just add a 0 to that, times it by 10, and it should be 100 million. Okay, that's what the size looks like between Ton 618 and this would be Gargantua. You can see the effect of 2 black holes on top of each other is kind of broken. So now what? We launch it into the other one. Set Gargantua's velocity to 0, and then it should fly right into it. Speed up time. Oh, yep. Exactly what I thought. Ton 618 is so massive, just instantly eats it. What is this game, sir? This game is Universe Sandbox. We get some donations. Let's see. Check out my system. It's called Altori system. If you join my Discord server, put it in the self promo chat, like put the link to it. And I do look at a lot of stuff in there. Give Mars Venus's atmosphere. That's a decent one, actually. Let's do it. So let's look at Venus first to figure out how thick it is. It is 93.2 times the mass of the Earth, and then 215 layers. Okay, so 93 times Earth's atmosphere with how many layers was it? 200. Wait, how did I just forget? Okay. Atmosphere. 93 Earth. And then 215 layers, I think. So now Mars has the atmosphere as thick as Venus. So let's watch its temperature over time and see if it starts to heat up. It is slowly heating up. Let's see how hot it gets. So after lots of years, the average temperature is at 485 degrees Celsius. So we're like burning up now on Mars. Is that hotter than it was on Venus? What's Venus? Yeah. So if you add Venus's atmosphere to Mars, it makes it hotter than Venus was. Probably because it's smaller. So it has like the same thickness atmosphere. We'll go on there. Chip, did you give the Universe Sandbox code out already? No, we're doing that at the end of stream. We'll be giving away a Universe Sandbox Steam code. So make sure you join the Discord server. The link's in the description. Make Mars a black hole. We make it super hot and then we just turn it to a black hole. Let's do it. Shouldn't be too hard to do if we lock the mass and just turn down the radius enough. I wonder how small it would have to be to become a black hole. Let's set this to real time. Oh my. Okay, it's 65 meters across and it still hasn't become a black hole with all of the same mass. So Mars has all of the same mass in it. It is 2 meters, 1 meter, 60 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 7 millimeters, 1 millimeter. Okay, okay, at 0.8 millimeters, so like super small, it finally is dense enough to become a black hole. So that is Mars as a black hole. Crash the game. I did earlier in the stream on accident, just trying to play. Let's, I don't know, put a ton of suns in. Put like 1 billion suns to try to crash it. See if we can break the NASA computer. It's running fairly smoothly with all of that. Maybe we need to make them still so they don't fly away. We need bigger stars. Stevenson 218. Get over here. It's uncrashable. It's slowing down. It's getting a little laggy. It's still, like, it's laggy, but it's still working. It's so bright that it's just white. Whoa. Now Sagittarius A in the middle of that. Let's do it. I'll put a bunch of them. Okay. Now what? We speed up time and see what happens. Oh. Oh my goodness. There's so many supernova. It just keeps growing forever, it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's like a space picture. Uncrashable. What's another way? Put a ton of rings on something. Just keep going. So if we grab Saturn and then add Saturn's rings, because it simulates every single ring particle. So if we just keep adding it, what's going to happen? Just already, that's starting it lagging. This might, I don't think this will crash the game. It'll just make the frames per second like 0. That's pretty close to full rings though. Okay, I can't even move. We need to clear the simulation. It's so laggy. Oh, we're getting donations. Let me look. Sun goes supernova and add another sun. And then make a brown dwarf so it keeps its heat. Uh-oh. Oh, I think we did it. We did it. We crashed the game. Oh boy. Restart it. It worked. All of the ring particles worked. Restart it. Okay, so supernova the sun and then add a new sun. We can do that. Tools, explode, and then just click on the sun and it will explode. It like kills all of the planets though, and then we just add a new sun and pretend like nothing happened. Yeah, everything's fine. The sun is back. Even this sun is still hot from the old supernova. There's our supernova. Hey, Spaceship, first time watching a stream. Can you give Jupiter enough mass to become a small brown dwarf and then put Jupiter where the sun is and the sun where Jupiter is? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we need a new solar system. Okay, Jupiter. Turn this into a brown dwarf. That's like at 80 Jupiter masses. It should... Oh, that's too big. Cancel. Go back. 70 Jupiter mass. Yes, okay, that's a brown dwarf now. And then we're going to save it as brown dwarf Jupiter. Save this object, and then if we put the sun here, and then while we're keep it paused, we're gonna replace the sun with the brown dwarf Jupiter. Replace brown dwarf Jupiter. Okay, so now there's a brown dwarf at the center of our solar system, and the sun is where Jupiter was. Let's see what happens. Not good things. Lots of things get launched out because the brown dwarf doesn't have enough mass to hold things in. And it looks like the sun captures a few things, but a lot of things are just going to leave. The brown dwarf is in orbit around the sun too. Completely destroys the solar system. Combine every star in the game. There are like thousands of stars. That would not be good. It only like it'll show these, but you can search for any star. I don't know the names of stars, but they have a lot of stars. Make Earth have 30 moons. Let's try it. Grab Earth. Delete every planet except for Earth. It would just be floating by itself. It'd be so lonely. What were we doing? Giving it 30 moons? Okay, so there's one moon. So we just grab more moons, right? The moon. Where is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. That is Earth with 30 moons. Just chaos. There's a 100 moon preset in the rings too. I'll show you guys that, and they'll like all crash into each other. It's pretty cool. Can add 100 moons at one time if we use the preset. And they're all like in a sphere. It's actually pretty cool. Okay. Moon sphere. Yes. Over 100 moons around Earth in a sphere now. And, oh, time is going very fast, but you can see there's chaos. Make Pluto have life. Let's try it. I actually did that a long time ago on the channel. That's before I face revealed. Okay. It looks like... Why is this one yellow? Okay, while they're having fun over there, let's go find Pluto. Make it habitable. Turn on the flashlight. Okay, so to make it habitable, we're going to need a little bit of hydrogen to keep the water on, and then add water to the surface. Before that freezes, let's add an atmosphere. And then if we make it really thick with our atmosphere layers, it should actually heat up okay, even though it's all the way out here. It's like Venus-like. Destroy Pluto. We're making it habitable. Maybe after. What were we doing? Where's the... Oh, here. Opacity. Turn this down. Okay, beautiful. I bet it's a little bit habitable just from that. 5.7%. We could totally make it higher. Rotational period, 1 day. Orbital period, 1 year, and that'll put it closer to the sun. So now it's almost by Earth. Let's check it now. 8.4344. It's rising. I think it needs to heat up. Let's set its temperature to 14 Celsius. Okay, what does that put us at? 28.3. We're getting there. Swap the sun and Pluto. We should protect Pluto. Correct, we should. Everyone loves Pluto. What else could we do? We could add the magnetic field. Let's do that really quick. Where's that? Right here. It looks pretty good size. Like that. Aiming at the sun. And what's that put us at? 25.8. Why is it dropping? Is it heating up too much? Because we put so many atmosphere layers on it? Yes, it is. Take off the atmosphere layers. Should be better now. Okay, that is Pluto terraformed and moved, so it's not a realistic terraform. And all of the moons of Earth are also in orbit now because they all left. Make Jupiter rocky without changing its mass. I don't know if that's possible. We could try though. Here's Jupiter. Without changing its mass. What happens if we just turn the radius down? What happens? And then take away all of its hydrogen? Does it work? It kind of. What is that? It's just low textured Jupiter now. Not even spinning. What did we do to it? Is it rocky? It just says planet. Can we change this? Maybe? What? Add a surface map. No, we just, oh, okay, we got something now. Now it looks like the moon. But we can't, oh, here we go. Oh, wait, how come when we pause the game? Okay, I think I figured it out. So we actually don't need the moon. So it's still the mass of Jupiter. So we're doing this right. Where's our... Let's just do a random planet. And then we can change some of our visuals. There we go. Okay, and then let's try to make it... Let's give it an atmosphere. The gravity on this planet would be so strong. It's because it still has all of the mass of Jupiter. But we did it. I guess it is possible. I did not think it would be. To make it rocky planet. So many suggestions. I'm trying to read them. Put a white hole and black hole together. Do the white hole, the one with negative mass. I don't know if you can make them collide because it would just... Because the white hole would repel. So the black hole would have to be a lot stronger. So let's see. We'll do 1 solar mass for the white hole. So there's not actually white holes in the game. Whoa, these are new. Are they? Maybe not. So to make it a white hole, you can just do a negative mass because white holes like repel stuff instead of suck things in. So if we do negative mass, it'll push stuff away, and then we can just make the gravitational lens white and the interface color white. So now here's our white hole. And then let's just see what happens if we do a black hole the same size right next to it. Yeah, what happened? Where did they go? Okay, there's the black hole. What happened? Where's the... Okay, where's the search tool? Where's the white hole? Right here. Yeah, I don't think it'll work. Unless we do a really massive black hole that can pull on it way harder. Like if we did 100 solar mass black hole with a 1 solar mass white hole, I bet it would suck it in because the pull force is stronger than the repel force. -1. Okay, so this is our white hole right here. Oh, yeah, you saw it got eaten by the black hole. That was in real time, too, so that's how hard it was pulling on it. Terraform a black hole. Oh, boy. I don't even think that would be possible. You'd have to turn it. You couldn't have it be in its black hole state. If we turn the density down enough, will it turn back into an object? Maybe? I don't think so. No, it won't. No matter how low the density is, it will not turn back. Okay, the game doesn't seem to like that. Oh, it's lagging. Make the sun blue? Okay, that's a good one. See how it affects Earth with a blue sun. Should just be able to... There's 2 ways we can do it. We can just do it the easy way and just change the color in the settings to blue. But to have an actual blue star, you would have to have it be a lot hotter than our sun currently is. So we could do it that way. This is what Earth looks like with a blue sun. It's so blue. So that's just a turned blue sun. And then let's make it really hot to try to get another one. So turn this back to realistic. And then turn the temperature up. See, now we get an actually blue star. realistically, and you can see what that did to the Earth. The energy output is so much higher that it just burns the Earth. Make the sun cold. So now we reverse it and make the sun really cold. Luminosity. So this is how much energy the sun's putting out. Let's put it at 10% of the sun, like the original sun. And then we'll make it colder. Boom. Okay, there's a cold star. See what happens to the Earth now. That's not the Earth. Right here. Okay, so it looks like all of the oceans are too far gone, boiled away. There's not even like any water to freeze. Oh, there is water, and now it's starting to freeze. There you go. Cold sun turns frozen. What happened? I was out for like 15 minutes. We made the sun really hot, and then we made it really cold. And so now we have a cold Earth. Make Earth a moon of Jupiter. Let's do a new system. Make a spaceship planet. Oh boy. Okay. So if we're making Earth a moon of Jupiter, we got to have all of Jupiter's moons here then. Let's add them. Okay, so that's Jupiter with most of its moons. I don't think it's all of them, but a lot of them. That's what it looks like. Okay, Earth will have to be like right here. And it does work, which is pretty cool. Jupiter's just so massive that it can hold massive objects like this. Make Earth's atmosphere as thin as Mercury's. Does Mercury even have an atmosphere? Now I gotta check. Does Mercury have an atmosphere? Maybe it has a really thin one. Extremely thin. For all practical purposes, it's nearly a vacuum. Okay, we gotta see how big it is. Oh boy. It's less than 10,000 kilograms for the entire atmosphere. Okay, let's do it. Oh wait, we had another one. The spaceship planet. Let's do that one first. Spaceship planet time. We'll do a gas giant. Put it out here in the solar system. So for our spaceship planet, we need... What should we do? Spaceship. That's me. Your logo. So we'll do like the purple and then like the yellow in the middle. Something like this. And then they do the yellow, bright yellow for the logo. Like that? Spaceship planet? I think that's pretty good. I like it. Make Earth's atmosphere as thin as Mercury's. Okay, we can still do that while we keep the spaceship planet here. Because we have 2 Earths actually in this system. So let's set its atmosphere mass to 10,000 kilograms. Where's that? In kilograms. Just 10,000. That's what it... Earth's gonna look like with it. Compared that to the Earth's atmosphere, it is very, very small. It's like so much less than 1%. Let's see what's gonna happen to Earth. Probably gets a ton of harmful radiation from the sun. and it's gonna start cooling down, most likely. Yeah. Oh, weird. It's not. It's actually staying the same temperature. How's our habitability? Oh, the life likelihood is basically 0, less than 1%. So it killed all of the life because we wouldn't be able to breathe. Make the sun negative 9 trillion luminosity. Yeah, we can set it to a negative luminosity. So that means it actually cools down instead of heats up. Luminosity, we'll turn on negative, and then we'll put negative a lot. Okay. Now it shoots off cold energy instead of heat energy. And the Earth is still here. I'm surprised the oceans haven't frozen yet. After a few years, they still haven't frozen. It's slowly freezing. Make the Earth infinitely dense. It'll turn into a black hole eventually. Here's the density. So we want the radius to stay the same. We can make it dense and more dense until eventually turns into a star, it looks like. Oh. I thought I locked the radius. And it's a black hole and is eating the entire solar system. I don't know what's happening. What is all of this? Coming out of... If we turn on trails. Yeah, what is this? Oh, the spaceship planet's still here. Yes, we survived. Man, that is a crazy system. For real. Give the sun rings. I mean, it has an asteroid belt. Those are kind of like big rings. Let's give it like Jupiter style rings and see if they burn up. I bet they do. There they are. Oh, they're like bright orange because of how hot they are. That's the sun with rings. 248, 650 subs? Yes. What were we at when we started? I don't remember. 248 something. Can you make two random stars fight? The stars fight. Oh boy. Here's a random known star, and then here's another random known star, and they're going to fight. Kepler 209, I bet wins. Yep. Easily. Just swallows it. Make 20 supernovas. Easy. I got you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then you grab the explode tool and you just click on them all. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another one. Explode them all. They are all supernovas. Boom. Okay, and then we play time. All of the supernovas go out at once. It's running fairly smooth. I would have thought that would have lagged a lot more. The NASA PC for you. Replace the moon with Titan. Let's do it. Okay, so let's grab the moon. And then we replace the object with Titan. How much is Titan bigger than the moon or smaller or like the same? That looks about the same. Compared to the moon in radius, it is a little bit bigger. Still orbits okay. Make the sun small. A small sun. I wonder if we could keep it so it works the exact same way. It's just smaller. So if we keep the luminosity the same and the temperature the same, and we just turn down the radius. Maybe. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. It looks like it's working. I don't want to turn it to a black hole. Okay, it is about the size of Earth in radius. So you can see here's Earth and the sun. And if I did it right, where's Earth? Nothing should change. Check the habitability on Earth. 97.7. Yeah. I think that's about what it is regularly. So you can make the sun small and have it be the same. So like the dot in the sky for what our sun would be so small. I wonder if we can even see it at all. Landing. The very intense landing thing. Okay, and if we turn off this and this. So that's like how big the sun would be in the sky. It's like not that much bigger than the rest of the stars. But all of the same power. You're the best? No, you're the best. Is the chat box even working? No. It always has issues. I thought maybe it would be fixed. It like works sometimes and then not sometimes. Make a planet the mass of the sun. Okay, we'll try. We'll make Jupiter the mass of the sun. But if we want it to stay a planet, we'll have to keep the radius the same. Right? One sun. It's still paused. Make it more dense. Okay, Jupiter's the same size that it usually is. But now it is the mass of the sun. Let's see if it still turns into a star. Yes. I don't know if we can make it that big of a mass. Because the density, no matter how dense, it'll just start going out. Can you make the biggest black hole? We can try. Ton 618 is the... Or no, Phoenix A is the biggest one now. Let's look at them. How big is Phoenix A? Phoenix A mass. $24,000 times Sagittarius A. So how do we... What is that in... Okay. So if we take Sagittarius A, so to make the size of it, we'd have to throw 24,000 of these into each other, but we can just kind of cheat and just type a number in. So if this is, oh boy. So if we go times 10, I'm trying to think what's the easiest way to do this? So it'd be this number. So 430, no, 43. What is that number? I need a calculator. Copy. And then we can figure out how big it's supposed to be. Okay, so that's 43. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like. And then times that by 21,000. And we get... Okay, let me just type the number in. You can watch me type it. It's very many zeros. 903... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Okay, that's That's not Sag. That's Phoenix A. Phoenix A. Okay, I'm actually going to save this in case I ever want this again. That is the correct size of Phoenix A. What was even the suggestion? Oh boy, I focused too much on this. I forgot what the suggestion was. Whoever said it, say it again. Something with Phoenix A, or the biggest black hole. Oh wait, I think it was just, can you make the biggest black hole? I did it. Here it is. I made it. Oh boy. Okay. Crash your game? We did earlier. We just added a ton of rings to Saturn. Like over and over, just added on top of each other, and it crashed the game. Make a planet with J1407b rings. Let's do it. Oh, the chat box is back. Can you save, or you should be able to save a ring preset. Maybe you can. Because then we can just make this ring once. So let's put Saturn in, but then put J1407b's ring on it. So we need to pull up J1407b ring size, diameter. 123 million kilometers. So if we go to add a ring, number of particles, we can turn that up. Outer radius is going to be 123 million. So 123,000,000. And that is the correct distance. Spacing random. Yeah, there's no way to save it. Okay. So this is J1407b's ring size. Where is it? Why are there only like 2 particles? It somehow set the outer radius to 757 light years. That's not what I wanted. Okay, try it now. There we go. Okay. There we go. That's J1407b's rings on Saturn. Oh, you can see the really big rings that were like light years out. That's not accurate though. This is the accurate distance of J1407b's rings. Put rings on an asteroid? Can you compare J1407b with Jupiter? So here's this is Saturn, but it has the ring size of J1407b. And then Jupiter here would look like that. Just a little planet in these huge rings. Okay, and then let's try to give an asteroid a ring. Is that the suggestion? If it lets us, let's see. Just do like a small ring. Oh, it works. Totally works. Beautiful. We could probably add a few more rings on there. Make it thicker. Beautiful. Make a ring on a ring on a ring. So like grab one of the ring particles and put ring on there. Can we put a ring on one of these ring particles? That would be funny. Oh, you can. Oh, it kind of like, it doesn't hold, but you can. That's funny. You can add rings to a ring particle. Could you see what would happen if we orbited the moon? Like Earth orbiting the moon. We'd have to have the moon have a lot of mass. Let's try it. Make the sun as dense as possible before black hole. Yeah, we'll do that for sure. We'll have to figure out how dense we can make it. Okay, so let's make the moon. It's going to have to be like 5 Earth's mass to be able to get Earth to orbit around it. And then we just should be able to just do auto orbit. Yes, okay. Now, Earth is orbiting the moon. So this is what that looks like. They're kind of binary, but the moon has a lot more mass. So it's more that the Earth is orbiting the moon. Interesting to see. That's what it looks like. And then we had, what was it? Make the sun as dense as possible before it turns into a black hole. That's not the sun. Okay, so if we go here and then go to our density, turn up the density. Okay, we're gonna watch. We're just gonna keep going until it becomes a black hole, and then we will go right before that on the next one. So just watch the radius. We're at 50% of Earth. Zoom in. 20% of Earth. 15. Okay, 300 kilometers. It's still 121. 100 kilometers? 50, 40, 30. Oh, it's still here. 10 kilometers? Okay, so at 2.5 kilometers, it becomes a black hole. So if we replace this with the sun and then make it 2.6 kilometers, it should stay not a black hole, and then that'll be the densest sun you can make. .6 kilometers. Yes, it worked. Okay. Oh, no, it didn't. It became a black hole. Maybe a little bit bigger. We'll go 3 kilometers. It worked. Okay, so this is the densest sun you can make. And the mass is still the same. So this would have no effect on the solar system, except the sun is smaller, but it still puts out the same amount of heat. It still holds everything in orbit. And if we compare this to, like, I'll show you how small this really is. Like, here's the Great Pyramid of Giza. You can, like, see that it's still bigger than the pyramid, but compared to, here's the moon. Our moon. It could block out almost all of the light going into the solar. Oh, I just broke something. That is the densest sun you can make. Did it eat the... Oh, it turned into a black hole. I guess we gave it just enough mass. Add 2 suns into the solar system. Okay, here's 1 sun. If we just make it binary. See what happens. Oh, everything starts to get pulled harder because there's twice as many suns. Okay, we're gonna need a barycenter that I can focus on. Oh, not you. Oh, not you. Just, oh boy. Just these 2. Yes. So that is what would happen to our system. Let's see. Over here. We're at 248, 735. That's pretty good. We've gotten a few hundred since we started streaming. That's awesome. What the freak? What? Launch Earth into Earth? Let's do it. Earth into Earth. Okay, here comes Earth, launching into Earth. They're like rotating at the same time too. Ooh, okay. That's what happens. Lots of fragments get shot out. And then I think life will survive. Like if we speed up time a lot, there's going to be an atmosphere and water and everything still. So it's 1.78 times the mass of Earth. So some of the mass got shot out. Yeah, it rises back up. We're at 83% chance of life. So the chance of life is a little bit less, but it's still pretty high. Okay, the last thing we're going to do on stream today, which is kind of tradition at this point, we make a gas giant, and then you guys get to name the moons, and we put like 50 moons on it. So here's our gas giant that we're going to use. We'll put the green background. So start thinking of names for your moon, and I'm just going to type as many as I see. So we can go random small moon so we can fit a lot, and just go like this. We're going to want orbit view. And boom, and then we'll put one like this. If you get that one, then you're better than everyone, I guess. Okay. And we go. So start typing what name you want for your moon, and and then we upload this to the workshop so everyone can do it. Benjamin, that's a great moon name. Barack Obama. That's actually the first time I've seen that one. So Viella, do that one right there. You got one. Name one Doge, please. Oh boy. Chip. This one. Pickle. Oh boy. So yeah, we're gonna upload this to the workshop, so anyone who wants to download this you can. Jeff. Lemon. Cabbage. Oh boy. Jeff Bezos. All in caps. Chips and Chippy. So we're going to have Chip, Chips, and Chippy. Beautiful. Anubis. Where are we? Right here. Anubis. Isn't that like Egyptian gods or something? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. If I can spell that. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but that's how it's gonna get spelled. Looney Tunes. Oh, I can spell, I promise. Elon Musk. So we'll have Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. Bill Gates too. Perfect. Some weird ads shown up. Lol. Like, I think I have it set to just autoplay ads. So that's probably why. Ohio, obviously. Every time I've done this, we've gotten at least one Ohio moon. Titanic. Not Titanic X. Mr. Beast, oh boy. Cheese. Beautiful. What are these names? PewDiePie, obviously. We got Mr. Beast and PewDiePie now. And Jeff Bezos. Space Chip's mom. Space Chip's mom gets a planet. Please name a moon Bubbly. Got you. Bubbly. Make Make. For one of these moons, sure. Okay, we got a few more. Cheddar. And I saw Space Dip. Sorry. Frank. Oh boy. It's like a mix of famous people and then random words. Dingus. Oh boy. Ohio World. So we got Ohio and Ohio World. Hot dog. Vulcan. That was a hypothetical planet. Ohio Final Boss. Steve Jobs. Of course. Got 4 more. Pandora. Pandora. Congrats on almost reaching 250k. Can you make a planet that has 3 habitable moons? Yeah, we'll do that right after this. And then I think that'll be the end of the stream. Spicy Chip. Moon Cow as the name. Okay. And then the last one, all the way out here. We need a good one for this one. Oh boy. Sandwich. I like that one. Sandwich is our last one. And then also here we're going to put 1 planet and we're going to give it 3 habitable moons. This is a cool looking planet. So to give this 3 habitable moons, we should be able to... Oh, wait, we're going to need a star. Okay, we actually can't do it in this system. But this system will be available. I'll put the link up. Chat names moons. After the stream's over, it'll be in the comments. If it loads. Okay, it's uploaded. I'll put the link in the comments. Please give away. Yes, right after stream, we're going to do the giveaway. So make sure you're in the Discord server. Okay, we're going to make a planet with 3 habitable moons. Get the sun. Gas giant. Put it about the same distance that Earth is, I would think. And then we'll do random moon here, here, and here. And then we should just be able to add an atmosphere and water. And they're close enough that it should work. Maybe a little bit of hydrogen to hold the water. Water and an atmosphere. And then just make the atmosphere not as thick. There's an eclipse happening. Okay, that's looking good. How's our habitability on this one? 15.1. I bet if we change its rotational period a tiny bit. And then just make sure our temperature is good. That looks decent. Yeah, 23.6. Okay, there's our first habitable moon. And then for this one, pretty much the same thing. Add an atmosphere and water and a little bit of hydrogen. Beautiful. Okay, that one's got 23%. And then our last one. Can you please say hi? Hello, Albert Paul Gaming. Sea level. Add a little bit of hydrogen and then add the atmosphere. Perfect. Okay, so there's our planet with 3 habitable moons, and that was for Toxic Ones. Thank you for that donation. And then now we're going to do that giveaway. So everyone go to the Discord server right now. I'm going to pull it up. We'll do it while I'm still live. But there's a giveaway channel. It's going to be under important and then giveaways at the bottom. And we're going to do giveaway create. We're going to go for 3 minutes. And we're giving away a Universe Sandbox Steam key to the winner. So all you have to do to enter is click the icon. Let's see. Okay. So I'll show you guys this. So all you have to do to enter is join the Discord server and then click on this giveaways tab here. And then click on this right here. Anyone can join. And then we'll see who wins that. And then they will get the Universe Sandbox key. How do I join the Discord? Links in the description. If you have Discord already, just click on it. If you don't, you're going to have to download Discord. It's on mobile too if you only have mobile. When did you download Space? Oh, did you download Space Engine? It's on Steam. Yeah, it's on Steam. Just search Space Engine on Steam. Oh, we got a super reaction. Okay, 46 entries. Let's see who wins. Whoa, all the super reactions. The real question, do you like pizza? I do like pizza. Okay, we got 50 seconds left. I was so excited to get my idea today, but I guess not. Go to my last suggestion video, because anytime I make one, I go to the last one and just type your suggestion in the comments. I go through lots of comments to find good ones. So if it's a good one, it'll probably get picked. Ten seconds left. Let's see who wins. 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Andromeda won the key. Congratulations. We'll do a super reaction. There you go. Okay, thank you everyone for coming to the stream today. Come back next week. We'll do another stream. Yeah, every Saturday is a stream, and also every Monday, Wednesday, Friday there's a video. So look out for the video on Monday and the stream next Saturday. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys in the next stream. Goodbye. How do we end stream? What's the best way to do it? End here?